There's no minutes. There's no seconds. There's no date. It's just a sticker. What's up, everybody? So I'm back. All right, so here's the deal. I went down the Wish rabbit hole, and I actually got some stuff on Wish. But when I signed up for Wish, and by the way, I totally know that a lot of people get scammed on Wish, and that you should never get anything that's supposed to be name brand because it's obviously going to be a knockoff. I get all of that. I'm more interested in some little knick-knack things that I can use for around the shop and that sort of stuff, and save some money that way. So anyway, I went ahead and I signed up for wish.com, and they gave me a free gift for doing it. And I got to choose from a bunch of stuff, and I picked an item, which you should see on the screen. So I picked an item based on the dollar value of the item, period. And I figured, oh, by the way, ASD Spectre. I figured if I was going to go ahead and get something for free, I might as well get the thing that they say is the most valuable, even if it is not something that I would typically use. And this is not typically something that I would use because I don't wear watches all that much. I like pocket watches, and I used to collect pocket watches, but, you know, advent of cell phones and all of that, I don't really use a watch. So I ordered the watch. Watch is totally free. It was 50 cents for shipping on this, which if you have never used Wish before, one of the things you'll notice is that the shipping is where you pay your money. You don't pay your money on the actual items, you pay your money on the shipping. In fact, the last order that I did was, it was like 48% product price and like 52% shipping. So, and then of course it comes from China most of the time. So I got a watch. All right, just making sure, seeing if this is the watch that they said it was. It's pretty decent. Obviously, I know that this is not going to be a high quality watch. I'm just more interested in the style. I chose black and red. They had a bunch of different colors you could choose. But I also know that a lot of times people will not get the item that they order. So I figured I would take a look at this. All right, so it's a bit of a rubberized watch band. Smooth texture there, kind of rib texture there. And hold on, I don't know how that's going to feel against your arm hairs. There's the face. So looks pretty cool. Looks decent. It's got the lock on there. I'll take that off in just a minute. Not a problem. It's got a cut and a tear. So there's that. So it came damaged, came broken. Not at all surprised. And again, this is a rubber material. So I'll wear it till it breaks, and then I'll probably 3D print a new watch band for it is probably what I'll do. But yeah, not too bad. Considering this is free, you know. It's got that's funny. All right, so look, all those little hopefully it's focusing properly. All of those little watch hands, those little those extra dials, if you will, not the normal. Those are all stickers. They're not real. There's no there's no minutes, there's no seconds, there's no date. It's just a sticker. That's hysterical. Watch seems to be working, but there's no seconds or minutes or anything like that. That's just a sticker. It's just a graphic. But yeah, it's black and red. It looks decent. Looks pretty cool. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, size comparison right there. Not too shabby. Decent size watch. I don't like the overly large watches. I think they look stupid, and I think that people who wear them look stupid, but what do I know? All right, so there you go. That is my wish.com free watch, which cost me 50 cents. It was just 50 cents shipping, which is really cheap for wish.com shipping, by the way. So when everything else gets here, I'll do an unboxing, and I will see if I have one of those funny videos where I didn't get a bunch of the items that I ordered, or a bunch of the stuff came incorrectly. I got the wrong item or what have you. But the free gift, again, was torn. So, and it looks like something cut it, because it's cut through the threads and the rubber on the watch band. So all in all, pretty happy. 50 cents, definitely worth 50 cents, if you ask me. So cool. Thanks for watching, everybody. I do appreciate it. And stay tuned next time. Follow me online, facebook.com/KCTheHost, youtube.com/KCTheHost, and twitter.com/KCTheHost. If you like stabby, pokey knife things, like that, you can follow me on Instagram at ASDKnives. And you can find my holsters and my Kydex work there as well. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a wonderful day.